Yes sir, man. Back at you guys back with some quick content, man. We got a C10 swap right here. Going from that carbureted junk that we used to love, that 350. We doing LS on everything, man. I guess my main thing is just to show you this harness, man. You can't even see it. That's how I like to try to wire it. It's too bad we got the average intake. I ain't gonna call it the ugliest of the intake. But yeah, that's what it's looking like, man. I cannot complain. This C10 is really looking up to par. I got this green right here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that there for the AC. Leaving that there. Got the harness already on the motor. Gonna go grab my air mass flow sensor right now. Injector's already wired up. Starter is down there. Pretty much ready to start. Got my PCM right here. Wired my loom all the way back, going all the way over to here. Yeah,